Hello, and thank you for requesting Dr. Brendan McLaughlin's free report and DVD. It's time to reclaim your smile. When your teeth get bad enough that you struggle to even look in the mirror, it affects more than just your appearance. It shakes your confidence too. Well, it's time to start anew with a healthy smile that you're not afraid to show to the world. Whatever your problem is, be it painful dentures, missing teeth, or even a fear of the pain commonly associated with dentistry, going to the dentist doesn't need to be a terrifying experience anymore. Why? Dr. Brendan McLaughlin's professional and very friendly staff are here to help. It doesn't matter how bad your teeth may be. His modern facility can provide solutions to almost every dental problem. The office is designed to be a pleasant and even fun place to be. You'll know that you're in good hands as soon as you walk through the door to be greeted with his state-of-the-art office. Every member of his staff is there to offer you an experience that you will actually enjoy. Yes, it is possible, while providing you with a lifetime of great dental health that you deserve and giving you back your smile. Still not sure? Just listen.
And right from our initial meeting, what impressed me was his level of confidence, that he didn't have a problem with telling me what he could do for me. And I had great fear. Many people who go to dentists have great fear. And I had had that since I was a teenager. But because of his confidence and his calm, gentle approach, I began to feel more confident.
Things weren't too bad with my teeth until they started to get loose, and then I knew I would have to have something done, and the teeth were getting rotten, and I would have to have some of them pulled, and there was no sense in adding new teeth to a partial because I couldn't eat. Couldn't bite down really on much of anything. So he suggested to put the implants in and referred me to Dr. McLaughlin.
My name's Dr. Brendan McLaughlin. I see patients every day with a variety of dental problems.
If a fear of pain is what's been keeping you from visiting the dentist, then you can rest assured that Dr. McLaughlin completely understands that fear and offers many different alternative ways to assure your comfort from the moment you enter the facility to the very end of your treatment and beyond.
Talking to Dr. McLaughlin in the course, he did give me two options. He told me I could either do it just with the plain upper and just replacing the lower, but he didn't feel that was going to be comfortable for me. And then we discussed the more permanent solution. And at first I was hesitant because I didn't know how much involvement it took. But I found him very comfortable to be with. Comfortable because he lets you know exactly what he's doing, when he's doing it. There was no real pain. I was never suffering for days or weeks or anything like that. Believe it or not, I can eat corn on the cob. I can chew a piece of steak. Now I can bite things, taste things, and just like I say, just feel real confident when I'm out in a restaurant, when I'm talking to people. And it just changed my whole personality and my life.
I feel now that when I go out to eat or if I'm at a cookout that I don't really have to worry about what I'm going to bite into, apples or corn on the cob. When given the option of either going with a root canal or an implant, I wouldn't hesitate to go directly to the implant. Being happy with the first procedure, it's the way to go for me with my teeth.
Compassion is the key. He understands the importance of a gentle touch, and the friendly staff you encounter here will ensure that everything is done with the utmost care for your well-being. What's more, the oral conscious sedation will leave you with little to no memory whatsoever of the procedure you've been through. Join with the many clients who insist that they didn't feel a thing throughout. We have successfully kicked the pain out of dentistry.
After he explained to me that the surgery wouldn't be as painful, which it wasn't, as I had imagined, and it wouldn't take as long, and my recovery time would not be what I had imagined. And with confidence in him, I decided I would go ahead and follow the Rooney procedure and have the work done. And I'm happy that I did. Very happy that I did.
Have you ever found yourself in a restaurant selecting your menu choice based on what's soft, just so you'll be able to eat it? Have you ever been frustrated by your dentures that are likely to fail you each time you chew on something hard? Have you ever wished that you could bite into that apple, that corn on the cob, without having to think twice about the effect it'll have on your dentures? That's not the way it should be, and it's not the way it has to be. Your smile is your most valuable asset, and Dr. McLaughlin won't stop until he sees it returned and sustained through healthy teeth that look and feel great.
I think it's really important when you're doing dentistry to really see that you're dealing with a person who's fragile, who might have been hurt by previous experiences with other dentists or with their previous dental care. There's a lot of different things in life which are the answers to different solutions, and to be able to provide patients with the answers to their problems, which, you know, in many cases is dental implants, is really pleasurable to be able to see the improvement I've made in their lives, and to be able to be part of that. So I feel very privileged to do what I do, because it's a beautiful thing.
Dr. McLaughlin was very, very gentle, and he's the one that did the work, and he did a very, very good job, and I'm very happy, very happy.
When I went to the office for the day of my implants, I came in with a denture. I left with a full set of teeth, and a few hours after leaving the office, I was able to eat a large Italian grinder, which I hadn't had in quite a while. If anybody was thinking about getting these implants, I would say it's the best investment they could ever make.
It really makes it enjoyable to go to work every day, knowing that I'm going to get to spend time with some of these patients who I really consider my friends. And you know, I enjoy what I do primarily because I enjoy helping people, and I enjoy learning about people. To be a good dentist, you really have to like people.
Dr. McLaughlin is not out to give you great teeth that last a year or even 10 years. He wants to give you a smile for life with teeth that last a lifetime.
I know these are going to last a lifetime, so I won't be back, but I do hope somebody else comes and experiences the good stuff I did.
By having these implants done, it's like being a new person again.
Dr. Brendan McLaughlin is putting an end to dental misery and deterioration through his passion, sensitivity, and his concern for you, his client. So why not get in contact now to see exactly what we can do for you?